Welcome back to Product Critique, your source for honest and in-depth reviews of tech products. Today, we've got something special for you: the Vetroo AL800 Full Tower PC Computer Case. It's not just your ordinary computer case, so stick around as we dive deep into its features. First things first, let's talk about the aesthetics. The Vetroo AL800 comes in an eye-catching army green color. With its sleek design and RGB lighting, it's bound to make your setup stand out. The hinged tempered glass side panel allows for easy access and adds to the overall premium look. Now, onto performance. This case means business when it comes to cooling. The 3D mesh front panel isn't just for show. It maximizes airflow to keep your components cool and clean. Plus, it supports up to 360mm liquid cooling radiators and up to 10,120mm fans, ensuring that your PC runs at optimal temperatures. Compatibility is another key factor. The Vetroo AL800 supports a range of motherboard sizes, from EATX to ITX. It also accommodates GPUs up to 425mm in length, perfect for the latest RTX 40 series graphics cards. Whether you're a gamer or a content creator, this case has you covered. Cable management can be a headache, but not with this case. It features two soft silicone cord grommets that make it easier to manage your cables. A clutter-free build is just a few steps away. Lastly, the I/O panel is packed with features. It includes a Type-C port, USB 3.0, USB 2.0, microphone, headphone combo, power, reset, and an expedient LED button. Convenience at your fingertips. Now, let's talk price. At $99.99, the Vetroo AL800 offers an impressive set of features and performance. While it's not the cheapest case on the market, it strikes a balance between quality and affordability. So, there you have it, our in-depth critique of the Vetroo AL800 Full Tower PC case. It's a case that not only looks great but also delivers on performance and versatility. If you're looking to upgrade your PC build, give this one a serious consideration.